Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to analyze correlation between two variables. Actually we do correlation to check whether two variables are related and how strongly they are related to each other, and at the same time I will show also how to draw a best fit line in your correlation. And here these are the Pearson correlation coefficient and also significance level. Let's start. First you have to click XY graph, and then as I have 3 replication, that's why I click here and then create. So this is your data sheet to import data from Excel. These are my data, my temperature, different temperature and different plant height in 3 replications. So I can copy this and just paste here, right, and here I can write plant height, right. So let's first analyze. Click here and then correlation and just click OK. So here compute R for X versus every Y data set. Now I need to compare between temperature and plant height. That's why I click here and then compute Pearson correlation. This actually parametric or non-parametric, we assume our data is parametric. So we can click here and p-value two tail and others, whatever it is, you can take this, keep this default and click OK. So these are your correlation data, and in correlation data you will find that these are the Pearson correlation R, that is 0.996. that means is strongly correlated and is positively correlated. We know that the relation is -1 to +1, as this is near to +1, that means strongly correlated, positively correlated. And R square is 0.992, that means 99.2% of the variation in one variable is associated with variation in the other. And also the P statistics is significant, that is less than 0.05, highly significant, that is significant. Number of pairs is 7. Now look at the graph. This is our correlation graph. Plant height and temperature, they are correlated, so it didn't give you any straight line, best fitting line. For this you have to click in analysis, and whatever it is, keep it as it is and then click here. So it will give you a straight line, and then you can copy the important information from here. Simple regression line, write your correlation data like Pearson, this one, and you can keep it here as it is, or you can click here in text and then write the R value is 0.99, and then the p value is right, significant p value. You can click right here the p value, and also the number of XY pairs, number of 7, that will be appropriate for your publication. Thank you very much for watching.